American, I'm relaxing East Atlanta. I'm an African American, a variant to what my city's like in the world. It's going to hell. I just roll up the gas and pass it all around a circle to my dead one homies.
What could you possibly do?
Just a time lapse.
Oh, damn. We did it.
They're honking. Get wrecked. Oh, she's gonna speed by. She's gonna be staring at you. Oh, she didn't look. She wasn't looking. Get wrecked. Anyways, as I was saying,
that's all for today, folks.
We're getting his car back to emissions legality.
Not necessary. We're not even gonna get it on today. It's almost 6 o'clock. Please tell me you're not eating a mouse.
Oh,
nice.
Your cat. There's your cat, bro.
Yeah.
That's what we need.
That's my catalytic converter.
Yeah. Yeah, that cat honestly is such a douchebag.
It's really not.
Yeah, he is.
No.
If I were a catalytic converter, where would I be?
Right here.
Oh yeah. You scared? You scared of cats?
I want to eat my Cheetos, but I don't want to touch it.
First world problems, bro. I thought you were about to like throw that on the hood. You're coming in pretty hot. Dog, why are you using 5W30?
I'm not.
You're a wild one.
For the GTI.
What GTI?
We can go show them. It's still there. I saw it yesterday.
We'll have a little flashback. Oh, it's still at that shop, like parked outside?
Yeah, I saw it. Like,
Damn, for the memes, we should go by and like post that next to it and get a thumbnail. C. Will got his GTI back finally.
if the guy sees me, he's gonna be like, take your money. He's gonna like, give me my money back.
Okay, we'll go there when it's closed and take a picture next to it.
Yeah, I drove by last night when they were closed and I was sitting out there.
Damn, that was almost a year ago. It's crazy. Then you got this piece of junk.
Mom, this thing is a beauty compared to the other.
I mean, the GTI looks fine. It was all stock too. Yeah, that's true. It didn't work. Yeah, a long time ago in a galaxy far, far away, we installed the ISR cat back on this car, and then we were gonna keep the cat, but all four of the studs actually snapped. So we ended up using the included resonator / test pipe when installing it. So yeah, the car is currently catless and very loud and has a lot of drone and a lot of like pinging to the exhaust at higher RPMs. So we're hoping this will help with that and make the car sound a decent amount better.
Probably not good for the wrap.
Nah, dude, it's fine. Nah, dude, it's fine. Trust me. I've tried. I've already spilled like a whole can of WD-40 in your car already.
Oh, this is not happening today.
Alright, juice box. You need to stop using the channel locks and get a pair of vice grips on it. And get them as tight as you possibly can. Oh god. This is awkward to hold that in place.
Normally people do this with a blowtorch and they heat it up. Well, we have no such thing.
Alright, I might need you to put the camera down. Since we don't have a torch, C. Will has already moved on to the next thing on the agenda for today.
I'm just gonna buy a new cat.
That is an odd solution, but okay.
I mean,
You have quite an interesting way of washing your car as well. I guess we're gonna document that today.
why?
You're gonna use a paper towel that he found on the ground to spread the soap. Heck yeah.
Yes. That's how we do it.
Oh.
I can't stand that sound.
Acting, I'm relaxing East Atlanta. I'm an African American, a variant to what my city's like in the world. It's going to hell. I just roll up the gas and pass it all around a circle to my dead one homies. Oh, yeah, acting like you know me. Remember when I was so low key, chill in the cut with a doobie and a cutie. Man, I gotta live life. I know they gon' judge me. But that's
Take two. How do I? Is your dashboard? It doesn't work because it's already freaking.
You can't even tell.
Is your dashboard looking old, saggy, and on the verge of cracking? Well, then we have the product for you. All you gotta do is grab a bottle and then jizz in that bottle for like the next 3 years. And then once that bottle's full, just crack it open, grab a microfiber or your favorite applicator, put a little bit on, and just spread that goodness all around your dashboard.
How long it take you to fill that bottle up? 3 years.
Well, this is your bottle, not mine.
Okay. Just gonna put me on blast like that?
Now the purpose of this is to not only add a low shine to your dash to impress your passengers,
But with your semen.
but it also provides UV protection and it smells really nice.
No. Where did you... I can't do this.
What's so funny, Christian? Goddamn.
We're immature.
Oh, that's where you put your hands.
Yeah.
Party foul. Yeah, dude, you wanna make sure you get it, you wanna massage it into all the nooks and crannies.
Feel that steering wheel. It's so greasy.
Yeah, why would you put it on the freaking wheel?
Why would you touch it? That's disgusting.
Why would you put your jizz on your steering wheel?
Hey.
That's where you're constantly touching.
Then I question why you grabbed it.
Because you told me to feel it, I wanted to feel
That's
it.
a video that gets demonetized.
I'm not even monetized, so.
Really?
Dog, your car is bunk.
This is
Wait, what? Oh shit!
What?
It's cracked there. On the mount that holds it there, it cracked.
no wonder it rattles so much.
Just add some like double-sided tape or something there, or replace it. Doesn't Carbon Miata make a carbon fiber cluster for your car?
Yes.
I don't know if it's for that part though.
I think it's for 1.6
You're right, I think I saw that. Yeah.
somehow.
Well, I'm sure you can find it if you were to replace that instead of just adding tape. You run out of tire spray, like it goes through really quickly. It's unfortunate, because it's also expensive. That's why I don't use it that much.
Yeah, but I really wanted to use it on these.
Stuff smells so nice. Everything chemical, guys, smells nice.
Can you not?
We're out of here, bro.
I'm gonna squash my fingers.
I'm dipping.
Oh, Christian, stop, okay. No, did you put... Dude, stop. What did you do? Oh my... I love this. Oh god, people have seen it. How do you take this down? I am changing my password. Okay, it's gone. What do you... Oh, I I didn't see who looked at it.
Why would you get rid of it?
I'm not. Oh, man.
Oh my, the memes are real.
Wait, who is? Oh, you took it. Oh, yeah. Watch the ears. Whoa! Dude, you're dragging so close to your side. That is so...
I think you need a larger size than that.
Dude, it's actually doable because I have the roll bar, and then you just somehow...
Yeah, but what about the front?
I don't know, that's...
Yeah.
I saw a picture of it.
I mean, yeah, I'm sure some custom work will do the trick. But
That'd be so sick. You couldn't put the top up, I guess.
well, you put it on with the top down,
Dude, that was so cool.
I guess.
This is the kind of thing I'm into. I like roof racks and stuff.
What goes along with roof racks and stuff?
Well, I'm saying because you don't like them on like if I had an STI, I would put a roof rack on it. And I actually use it though. It's not just sitting there for looks, but I actually like how they look.
Well, I don't ride bikes anymore, really, and I just care about performance. So yeah, I don't see the purpose for myself with a roof rack. I mean, I had a roof rack on my Civic though when I actually rode bikes.
That's
Yeah, that was 2 years. That was a year ago. 1 whole year.
that was more than a year.
No, it wasn't. I haven't even owned the STI for a year.
Just from the back.
I've owned my STI for like 9 months now. How do you say that brand, Christian? T-U-H-L-E.
Thule?
Is it Thule or is it Thule?
Thule.
Yeah, it's Thule, you're right. A lot of people say Thule when they come in to REI.
I'm just gonna mount it, and my dad's gonna like, where did it go? I'm just gonna point to my car, point outside with it on.
Yeah.
We got that on video too. Camera's still recording. That's like it's happening. That was fucking happening. Oh my god. I fucking laughed.